Welcome to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today, in place of Tricky, we have Tricky's daughter instead, and she is preparing a classic British apple crumble. It's a traditional apple filling topped with a crispy buttery crumble. It is then served warm with chilled custard or vanilla ice cream. It's a classic British comfort food at its best. So let's get straight to the ingredients. The ingredients for the filling and the ingredients for the crumble. Preparation. Preheat the oven to the temperature shown and grease an oven-proof dish with butter. Then set aside for later use in this recipe. The method: peel and chop the apples into 1 cm cubes, then add the apples, sugar and flour into a large mixing bowl. Mix well to combine. Then set aside. Similarly, add the ingredients for the crumble to a large mixing bowl. That's the plain flour, brown sugar, softened butter, cinnamon powder and salt. Use a pastry blender to cut into the butter and work it into the mixture. Alternatively, use a knife to achieve the same end. That is, to cut the butter into the mixture. Now use your hands to rub the butter into the flour till it forms a sandy breadcrumb consistency. Note, when pressed together, it should clump but should easily crumble apart under light pressure. Now place the apple filling into the oven-proof dish that was greased earlier. Level the top so that there are no gaps. Now pour the crumble mixture over the apple filling and gently layer and level the top. Bake for 40 to 45 minutes or until the crumble is golden brown and the apples are soft. When done, remove from the oven and place on a wire rack to cool slightly for 10 minutes before serving. Serve warm with a side of chilled vanilla custard or a large dollop of vanilla ice cream or whipped cream. Caution, be careful as the apple filling may still be piping hot. And there you have it, a classic British apple crumble served warm with a chilled custard or vanilla ice cream. So we had Tricky's daughter preparing this recipe for you. So thank you for stopping by. Hope you will give this recipe a try. Have lots of fun in the process as you toy, and most of all, don't forget to enjoy. Tricky's Kitchen has lots of other recipes that you would like to try out. So be sure to click on the video link on your screen right now and watch another video.